Talk time. Exercise 1. Listen, shout, and do.
1. Close your eyes. Okay. Close your eyes. Okay.
Close your eyes. Okay.
2. Open your eyes. Okay. Open your eyes. Okay.
Open your eyes. Okay.
3. Raise your hands. Okay. Raise your hands. Okay.
Raise your hands. Okay.
4. Clap your hands. Okay. Clap your hands. Okay.
Clap your hands. Okay.
Fun time. Exercise 3. Do it quickly. Listen and try to keep up.
Are you ready? Let's start. Raise your hands. Close your eyes. Open your eyes. Clap your hands. Let's do it again. Raise your hands. Close your eyes. Open your eyes. Clap your hands. Let's do it again. Raise your hands. Close your eyes. Open your eyes. Clap your hands. Okay, good. Let's play for real.
Rhythms and sounds. Exercise 1. Chant and point. Head, shoulders, knees, and toes.
Head, shoulders, knees and toes. Knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes. Knees and toes. Eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes. Knees and toes. Now leave out knees. Head, shoulders, and toes. And toes. Head, shoulders, and toes. And toes. Eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, and toes. And toes.
Exercise 2. Listen, point, and pronounce.
1. Head.
Head. Head.
2. Shoulders.
Shoulders. Shoulders.
3. Knees.
Knees. Knees.
4. Toes.
Toes. Toes.
5. Eyes.
Eyes. Eyes.
6. Ears.
Ears. Ears.
7. Mouth.
Mouth. Mouth.
8. Nose.
Nose. Nose.
Fun time. Exercise 3. The teacher says. Touch what the teacher says.
Are you ready? Let's start. The teacher says, touch your nose. The teacher says, touch your ear. The teacher says, touch your head. The teacher says, touch your eye. Touch your mouth. Uh-oh. Okay, good. Let's play for real.
Words. Exercise 1. Listen and point.
1. Please stand up. Please stand up. 2. Please come to the front. Please come to the front. 3. Please make a line. Please make a line. 4. Please make a circle. Please make a circle. 5. Please go back to your seat. Please go back to your seat. 6. Please sit down. Please sit down.
Fun time. Exercise 3. Be the teacher. Give instructions to your partner.
Are you ready? Let's start.
Please stand up. Okay. Please sit down. Okay. Please come to the front. Okay. Please go back to your seat. Okay.
Okay, good. Let's play for real.
Phonics. Exercise 1. Chant and point at the big letters. Alphabet chant.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
Fun time. Exercise 3. Short, tall, and tail letters. Listen and do. Like this. When you hear a short letter, you stay on your seat. The short letters are A, C, E, I, M, N, O, R, S, U, V, W, X, Z. When you hear a tall letter, you stand up. The tall letters are B, D, F, H, K, L, T. When you hear a tail letter, you sit on the floor. The tail letters are G, J, P, Q, Y. Are you ready? Let's start.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z.
Okay, good. We're finished.